Alright, I'm going to explain the Pythagorean theorem to you guys real quick. So basically it's trying to say that in a 3, 4, and 5 triangle, 3, 4, and 5 triangle, first of all it's trying to say that it's always a right angle triangle, right? Second, it's trying to say that 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. So basically it's trying to say that in a right triangle, the two smallest sides is equal to the biggest side squared. So we're going to call this side A, we're going to call this side B, and this is C, and then the Pythagorean theorem is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Alright, don't leave me yet, I'll explain it all right now. Okay, so what does it mean for 5 to be squared? It means it's multiplying it by itself, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to make this. That line I just drew right there is a length of 5. Okay, so if this is a length of 5 and that is a length of 5, when we draw the square, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. When we draw the square, we get 25. Why is that? Because look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Does that make sense? So basically what they're trying to say is 5 squared is 5 times 5. That's why they call it squared, is equal to 25. Alright, now get this. We're going to do the same thing with 3 and 4. Three times 3. That side's 3. That side's 3 also. So what do we get? We get 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 rows of 3 is equal to 9. Okay, same thing with 4. Say that side is a length of 4. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Alright. 16 right there. 4 times 4 is 16 because 4, 8, 12, 16. So each one of these squares is 1 by 1, right? Because each one of these increments is 1. This is 1. This is 1. But each one of these squares is a 1 by 1 square, right? So what do we get when we add a squared to b squared? Well, let's do it. It's all in a picture right now. We're taking away 3. We're adding 3 to here. 1 by 1 squares. Alright? 3 more 1 by 1 squares. 1 by 1 squares right there. Another 3 right there. 3 more squares. Alright, what do we get? What does that look like right there? Exactly like that. Because we took the 16 and we just, So that right there is exactly why a 3, 4, 5 triangle is a right angle. And it's also why a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Now you can visualize it. Because a lot of teachers won't tell you this. They'll just explain it straight from the book. And their explanation is terrible. I'm telling you. So if you're in geometry or whatever, just soak this in. You'll understand your class a lot better.